Today, we are going to learn some unknown and mysterious facts about rabbits, so let's get started without further delay. Rabbits are born with their eyes closed and ears folded, making their earliest moments a hidden mystery. Their digestive system is unique. They produce two types of droppings, cecotropes and regular fecal pellets, to maximize nutrient absorption. Rabbits' powerful hind legs allow them to leap great distances, an evolutionary trait honed for sudden escapes. With nearly panoramic vision, rabbits can see nearly all around them except for a small blind spot in front. Despite common belief, rabbits are not rodents. They belong to the order Lagomorpha, along with hares and picas. Wild rabbits often form intricate underground warrens with multiple exits, a design still studied for its natural ingenuity. Their breeding cycles can seem almost magical, as rabbits can produce several litters in a single year. Rabbits' whiskers are highly sensitive and act as tactile sensors in the dark, helping them navigate tight spaces. The joyful binky leaps that pet rabbits perform remain a charming mystery of exuberance and well-being. Some wild rabbits sport unusual coat patterns that hint at rare genetic variations. Their ear structure not only aids hearing but also helps regulate body temperature in a fascinating natural adaptation. Rabbits exhibit a curious boxing behavior when they interact, a social ritual that still sparks debate among researchers. A rabbit's teeth grow continuously throughout its life, a trait that has intrigued evolutionary scientists for decades. Rabbits have evolved to be highly alert to predators, often freezing or thumping their hind legs as warning signals. Their ability to sense subtle environmental changes may help them detect approaching storms or predators before others can. The exact reason behind their habit of thumping is still partly mysterious, with theories ranging from signaling danger to expressing frustration. Rabbits display a surprising amount of individual personality, with some being notably shy and others boldly curious. In the wild, rabbits sometimes travel unexpectedly long distances in search of food, a behavior that challenges simple explanations. Their rapid population changes in the wild have long fascinated ecologists trying to understand nature's balance. Certain rabbit species are adapted to extremely harsh environments, from arid deserts to frigid tundras, with unique physiological tweaks. Rabbits communicate using subtle body language, including ear positions and tail movements, that remain partly unexplained. Their soft fur is an excellent insulator, and its structure has inspired modern studies in biomimicry. Some rabbits have been observed engaging in play that resembles complex social rituals, suggesting a deeper cognitive life. The phenomenon of a rabbit's foot being lucky has ancient roots tied to mysterious cultural beliefs about these animals. Rabbits' long ears can capture a wide range of sound frequencies, giving them an almost uncanny ability to detect danger. Wild rabbits' behavior can change dramatically with the seasons, reflecting an intricate link to environmental cues. The underground networks, warrens, created by rabbits are complex and can span vast areas, with secret passageways known only to them. In some regions, rabbits are linked to lunar cycles, with folklore suggesting their activities rise and fall with the moon's phases. Their instinct to burrow is so strong that even domesticated rabbits will dig at soft ground, a behavior that seems almost ritualistic. Rabbits have been known to freeze in place as a survival tactic, a behavior that still puzzles scientists regarding its exact triggers. The natural camouflage of rabbits, with fur patterns blending into grassy or earthy tones, is a marvel of evolutionary design. Some rabbits display a startling burst of energy during twilight, a behavior that hints at hidden biological rhythms. Their sensitive hearing and quick reflexes allow rabbits to detect predators even in dense undergrowth. Rabbits' social structures in the wild can be surprisingly complex, resembling miniature societies with hierarchies and alliances. The way rabbit mothers care for their young, often in complete secrecy within their burrows, is a delicate and mysterious process. Rabbits have a finely tuned sense of smell that helps them locate food and detect threats long before they're visible. Their ability to adapt to urban environments while retaining wild instincts is both impressive and not fully understood. The evolution of rabbit ear size and shape is linked to their environment, an area of study that continues to reveal new insights. Rabbits are known to exhibit moments of sudden, unpredictable activity, leaping or running for no clear reason. The unique arrangement of a rabbit's retina provides them with exceptional night vision, a trait still under scientific exploration. Some rabbits have been known to exhibit unusual, almost mystical behaviors during mating season. The inner workings of a rabbit's balance system, aided by specialized ear structures, remain a fascinating subject for researchers. Rabbit fur sometimes changes texture with the seasons, a subtle shift that hints at complex hormonal controls. Their underground warrens are so elaborate that entire colonies operate as a network of hidden communities. In folklore, rabbits are often seen as tricksters or magical beings, a perception that stems from their elusive behavior. Some wild rabbits have evolved behaviors that allow them to survive extreme fluctuations in temperature. Rabbits' sudden dashes across open fields, known as stotting or pronking, are a display of strength and a mystery of nature. Their grooming rituals not only maintain their fur, but also serve as a form of social bonding that scientists are still deciphering. Rabbits are capable of adjusting their foraging patterns based on the availability of food, an adaptive trait that appears almost prescient. The evolution of rabbit reproduction, with its rapid cycles, has long been a subject of study in evolutionary biology. Some rabbit populations exhibit unexplained fluctuations that have led researchers to wonder about hidden environmental influences. Their ability to vanish into undergrowth and then reappear unexpectedly has given rise to countless local legends. Rabbits have been observed to engage in what looks like playful boxing, a behavior with multiple proposed explanations. The specific way in which rabbits select and modify their burrows suggests a level of planning that is not yet fully understood. Some wild rabbits display unusual patterns of movement when startled, zigzagging in ways that baffle predators. The chemical composition of rabbit fur, which provides natural water resistance, has intrigued material scientists. Their unique digestive process, re-ingesting nutrient-rich droppings, is one of nature's more curious recycling methods. Rabbits appear to have an innate sense of direction, often returning to the same burrows over many years. Their large, expressive eyes have evolved to capture a wide spectrum of light, hinting at hidden visual capabilities. Some rabbit behaviors change subtly during full moons, a phenomenon that has inspired both science and folklore. Wild rabbits can be surprisingly territorial, defending their space with behaviors that suggest deep-rooted survival instincts. Their secretive nighttime activities have long been a subject of fascination for both naturalists and storytellers. Rabbits have a mysterious ability to adapt their habits when faced with new predators or environmental changes. Their ear-twitching and head-turning behaviors can convey complex emotions and warnings, a silent language still being decoded. Some rabbits exhibit a near-telepathic coordination when escaping threats, as if communicating through unspoken signals. The way a rabbit's body responds to sudden danger, freezing, then bolting, is a finely tuned survival mechanism. Their continuous tooth growth is balanced by natural wear, a biological equilibrium that remains an active research topic. The detailed patterns on a rabbit's fur can vary widely even within the same species, an enigma of genetic expression. Rabbits' vocalizations, though subtle, include soft grunts and purrs that hint at a richer inner emotional world. Some wild rabbits are known to modify their burrows in response to seasonal changes, a behavior that appears almost architectural. Their rapid reproductive rates have earned them a reputation for fertility, yet nature's checks and balances remain mysterious. Rabbits sometimes engage in what seems like communal play, a behavior that strengthens group cohesion in inexplicable ways. The reflective quality of some rabbits' eyes in low light has given them an almost ethereal appearance at dusk. Their ability to navigate back to a familiar home over long distances is a natural compass that scientists are still trying to map. Some rabbits are observed to pause and stare into the distance, behavior that might suggest a hidden awareness of their surroundings. The phenomenon of rabbits boxing during mating displays has multiple interpretations, from dominance to courtship rituals. Their instinct to burrow even in loose soil hints at a deep evolutionary drive to create safe havens. Rabbits' interactions with other species, including unexpected friendships, add to the mystery of their social adaptability. Certain wild rabbits change their activity patterns during different moon phases, possibly linked to ancient lunar rhythms.